Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today, once more, I'm going to start grammar because this is Thursday today, and we have to start grammar today. I'm taking chapter number 12, active passive voice. In previous lecture, already we have studied about the active passive voice, and we have studied simple present tense, present perfect tense, and present continuous tense. We have already studied about it. Today I am taking here simple past and past continuous tense. Just like you are looking here, simple past and past continuous tense. And I am taking some examples with the structures here. So I hope you are getting it very easily. Just like I'm taking simple past, structure is what is object plus was verb plus verb third form plus by plus subject. We use here. Means first of all we use here object in the beginning while we change the sentence from active to passive voice. First of all we use here object. Then in simple past we use here was and were helping verb because we take the helping verb of the past continuous tense. There is a was and were plus verb third form we use here, and by plus object also we use, subject we use here because object has gone in the beginning. Number next example number 1 I am taking, children. What is she kept us waiting? She kept us waiting. Here what is I am taking? We have to find out the object here. So students, you are looking, she is a subject here, kept is a verb here, us is a waiting, us is a object here. So we have to take what is here? We were, means we use here we were, already we use here where us change into we, and because it is a plural number, so we use here were. We were waited. We were waited because we are using here third form of the verb, and kept, there is a kept given here, kept, and we were kept. We were kept. Now this is given already. We were kept waiting by her. Means by her we are taking we were kept because it is continuously runs in three forms. We were kept waiting. Waiting we have to use here. Waiting by her. We use here by her. H-E-R. Full stop this is. So once more you see, we are using us change into we. Because of plural number we use here were helping verb. Kept already third form, keep, kept, it runs here, and waiting is already present here, we use waiting, and by her she change into her. Number 2 I am taking, I employed 200 men. I employed 200 men. So what are we taking, children? 200 men. What is object here? Object is here 200 men. So we use here 200 men means plural number this is here. So in case of plural number we use were helping verb. What is here? We use here were helping verb. So we use here were employed. Because it is third form is used here, so we write here employed by, and me I change into me, so we write here me. Number 4, third I am taking, children. Did you give him anything? Question mark is given. Did you give him anything? There is a question mark. So in place of did, we change the helping verb. because we have to take and object according the object. Object is singular number here, so we write here a singular verb here, and we write was and anything, was anything. We use here was anything given to you by him, given to you by him. Question mark we write here. We write question mark here. Number 4th I am taking, which film did you see last night? Which film did you see last night? So what is here? Which is given already, and we use which already. So means which film did. There is a did given the helping verb. It will be changed here. Means which film, again we write here which film, and was we write here which film, and we have to write was seen because it is singular number. Was seen last night by you. We use here by you last night. We use here by you last night. Question mark like this here. Number 2, past continuous tense I am taking, children. What is given here in past continuous tense? Same structure is given here. Object plus was verb plus being plus verb third form plus by plus subject. We use here. If a question mark is interrogative sentence comes, we put there question mark also. Number 1 I am taking here. All of us were cheering the team. All of us means there is what is this. Us change into we. All means us change into we, and we write here what is our team. This is given here. Our team we can write or we were cheering. We were cheering like this we can write here. So we are writing our team. Our team was being. Means already we take here. Our team was being. We write here was being. This is coming. Being, and what is cheering? So cheered there is. Cheered. We write here cheered by all of us. By all of us. By all of us. We write all of us, full stop here. Second number, there is what was Ashok doing? This is interrogative sentence. And in case of interrogative sentence, already we take this one. Question word we take. Question word we take continuously. We don't worry about this one. And we write here what? Means according the number and person of the object. We have to go through it. Means what was being. What shall we write here? What was, because in it object is not confirmed. We are asking about object. So we take here according the number and person of the subject here. What was being done by Ashok. Question mark we write here. Done by Ashok. Number next is I am taking were the artists rehearsing the play. Were the artists rehearsing the play? And we are taking this one also. What is? We are taking it's we have to change this one. Was means was the, we are talking about the play. Play is a singular number here. So what do we write here? Was the play, was the play, there is given here, was the play being rehearsed? You have to go through. Was the play, because the play is a singular number, so we use here was a helping verb. Was the play being rehearsed? This is a verb here, so we write here being, being rehearsed, hearsed, rehearsed by the artists. We write here by the artists. By the artists, question mark. This is given here, children. What are you looking? This is complete explanation of simple past and past continuous tense, and I hope this is confirmed to you, and you have to go through it properly so that you can learn something. You have to learn these structures also, both the structures you learn, practice more examples also from other books also, so that it confirm to you. Okay students, we will meet you in next lecture. Till then you have to keep on learning. See you again. Goodbye.